Alright, so for part 3, what I'm going to do is record with OBS some sound effects to put in. I've got these lined up and ready to go. So the first one is some footsteps, so I'm recording right now, and I'm just going to press play and let this play for a minute. Now I'm going to play some neighborhood sounds. So the town has a sound, so here we go on this. Alright, I'll just loop that in the background, and here's some cartoon sound effects for the glitches. Alright, I'm going to use that, so now I'm going to hit stop recording.